Mastering quality planning process. Quality planning that ignores business objectives is a recipe for mediocrity. Which quality planning process elements are designed to ensure that the purpose of quality planning in our organization aligns with its overall business objectives, and how do these elements support the achievement of operational excellence? The quality planning process elements that ensure alignment of quality planning with an organization's overall business objectives are: 1. Define quality objectives. Establishing quality objectives that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, ensures that quality planning is aligned with the organization's overall business objectives. These objectives should be derived from the organization's mission, vision, and strategic goals, and should be communicated to all stakeholders. 2. Identify critical to quality, CTQ, characteristics. CTQ characteristics are the key product or service attributes that have a significant impact on customer satisfaction and business success. By identifying these characteristics, the organization can focus its quality planning efforts on the most critical aspects of its products or services, ensuring that they meet customer requirements and business objectives. 3. Establish key performance indicators, KPIs. KPIs are measurable values that demonstrate how effectively the organization is achieving its quality objectives. By establishing KPIs, the organization can track its progress towards achieving operational excellence and make data-driven decisions to improve its quality performance. 4. Conduct SWOT analysis. A SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, helps the organization to identify its internal strengths and weaknesses, as well as external opportunities and threats, that can impact its quality performance. This analysis enables the organization to develop strategies that leverage its strengths, address its weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threats, ultimately supporting the achievement of operational excellence. 5. Develop a quality policy. A quality policy is a statement that outlines the organization's commitment to quality and its quality objectives. This policy serves as a guiding framework for all quality-related activities and ensures that quality is integrated into the organization's overall business strategy. 6. Establish quality goals and targets. Quality goals and targets are specific, measurable, and achievable goals that support the organization's quality objectives. These goals and targets are used to focus the organization's quality improvement efforts and ensure that everyone is working towards common objectives. 7. Define quality metrics and benchmarks. Quality metrics and benchmarks provide a basis for measuring and evaluating the organization's quality performance. By establishing quality metrics and benchmarks, the organization can track its progress, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to achieve operational excellence. 8. Establish quality processes and procedures. Quality processes and procedures are the documented steps that outline how quality activities are to be performed. These processes and procedures ensure consistency, repeatability, and reliability in the organization's quality activities, and are essential for achieving operational excellence. 9. Conduct risk management and failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA. Risk management and FMEA are tools used to identify and mitigate risks that could impact the organization's quality performance. By conducting risk management and FMEA, the organization can proactively identify potential failures, assess their impact, and implement controls to prevent or mitigate them. 10. Continuously monitor and evaluate quality performance. Continuously monitoring and evaluating quality performance ensures that the organization is on track to achieving its quality objectives and operational excellence. This involves regularly reviewing quality metrics, KPIs, and other performance indicators to identify areas for improvement and implement corrective actions. These quality planning process elements support the achievement of operational excellence by Ensuring alignment of quality planning with the organization's overall business objectives. Focusing on critical quality characteristics that impact customer satisfaction and business success. Establishing measurable quality objectives and targets. Providing a framework for quality management and improvement. Identifying and mitigating risks that could impact quality performance. Continuously monitoring and evaluating quality performance. Encouraging a culture of continuous improvement and learning. Supporting the development of a quality-focused organizational culture. Ensuring that quality is integrated into the organization's overall business strategy. By implementing these quality planning process elements, organizations can ensure that their quality planning efforts are aligned with their overall business objectives and support the achievement of operational excellence.